AI demos are easy to love. Factory reality is harder. Your plant does not run on clean sample data. It runs on real orders, real constraints, real quality issues, and real production pressure. Before choosing a manufacturing AI tool, start with the basics. Can it connect to the systems where the work actually happens? If it cannot reach MES, ERP, SCADA, QMS, PLM, historians, or testing data, it cannot answer the questions your teams actually ask. Next, can it show where the answer came from? In manufacturing, a confident answer is not the same as a trustworthy answer. Can non-technical teams use it? If every question still requires SQL, a BI ticket, or an analyst, the bottleneck is still there. Does it understand manufacturing context? Lots, batches, genealogy, NCs, CAPAs, yield, downtime, and release blockers are not generic business data. And is security built in from the start? Plant data is operational, sensitive, and often regulated. Finally, can it solve one painful workflow in 90 days? A report backlog, an audit request, a yield investigation, a traceability question. The goal is not AI for the sake of AI. The goal is faster, clearer, more trusted decisions. Do not buy AI hype. Choose a path that can survive your factory's reality.